Rest you merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day, to save poor souls from Satan's power, which long time had gone astray. And it is tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. From God, that is our Father, the blessed angels came unto some certain shepherds with tidings of the same, that he was born in Bethlehem, the Son of God by name. And it is tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Now when they came to Bethlehem, where our sweet Savior lay, they found him in a manger where oxen feed on hay. The Blessed Virgin kneeling down unto the Lord did pray. And it is tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. With sudden joy and gladness the shepherds were beguiled to see the babe of Israel before his mother mild. Oh, then with joy and cheerfulness rejoice each mother's child. And it is tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Now to the Lord sing praises, all you within this place, like we true loving brethren, each other to embrace. For the merry time of Christmas is coming on apace, and it is tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy.